In our first episode, we witnessed the birth of the universe, the Big Bang, and how the first stars and elements were formed. Now, the story comes closer to home. This is the violent birth of our solar system and the creation of the Earth itself. About 4.6 billion years ago, a cloud of gas and dust swirled through space. Gravity pulled it together, forming a spinning disk. At the center, the sun ignited, blazing to life. Around it, tiny particles collided, sticking together over and over, slowly building the planets. One of them was Earth. The young Earth was far from calm. Asteroids and planetesimals crashed into it constantly, turning it into a molten, fiery world. Then came one colossal collision. A Mars-sized object slammed into Earth, blasting debris into orbit. From this chaos, our moon was born. This violent impact didn't just create the moon, it stabilized Earth's tilt, setting the stage for seasons and life to come. As Earth cooled, volcanoes erupted endlessly, releasing gases that formed a thick, toxic atmosphere. Water vapor condensed, falling as relentless rain for millions of years, filling basins to form the first oceans. From molten rock and violent storms, a world capable of supporting life was slowly taking shape. And in those oceans, something extraordinary began. Lightning, volcanic activity, and cosmic energy sparked chemical reactions, forming the first organic molecules, the building blocks of life. The stage was set. Life was waiting, hidden in the depths, ready to take its first steps. This was the birth of Earth. From stardust and fire, collisions and chaos, to oceans full of potential. Our planet was alive with possibility, and this was only the beginning. If you missed the first episode, the story of the Big Bang, make sure to watch it to see how the universe made this world possible. And stay tuned for the next chapter, where we'll witness the very first life forms and how they began transforming Earth into the home we know today. Every rock, every drop of water, every breath you take, comes from this extraordinary beginning. You are standing on a planet born from cosmic violence, and the story is far from over.